Okay, good morning class. So today we're looking at the loss of measurement, correct? Okay, so the measurement was skill, okay, odd numbers. Okay, so skill 6, that's where we must start, no? Right, the first answer, 96 meters cube. Number 3, 840 millimeters cube. Number 5, 3072 centimeters cube. Okay, you guys got it. The next one, number 7. Number 1, 2000. Number 3 is 4.8. Number 5, 1040. Number 7 is 8,14. Number 9 is 16. Number 11 is 0,9. Number 13 is 2,400 centimeters cube, which is 2,400 milliliters. Not so. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. No? Then number 15 is 2,400 centimeters cube, which is 2,400 milliliters, or 2.4 liters. Skill 8. Number 1 is 28,000. Number 3 is 6,000. Number 5 is 5. Number 7 is 8. Number 9 is 2,880. Number 11 is 11,040. Number 13 is 1.5, 1.5, 3/2. And number 15 is 300. Okay. Skill 9. Number 1, 36. Number 3 is 56. Number 5 is 360. Number 7 is 13. Number 9 is 12. Number 11 is 2.5, or 2.5. Number 13 is 840. Number 15 is 9. Number 17 is 2,142. Number 19 is, what do you have for number 19? 0? 3? 18. It's correct. Number 21, 9 p.m. Number 23, 3, semicolon, 18 a.m. So 3 hours and 18 minutes, or a.m. Number 25 is noon, or 12 o'clock, no? In the afternoon. Number 27 is 8, semicolon, 51. Number 29 is 7, semicolon, 37 a.m. No? 7 o'clock in the morning, or in the a.m. in the morning. Number 10. Number 1 is 8. That's correct. Number 3 is 170. Number 5 is 350. Number 7 is 12. Number 9 is 21. Number 11 is fridge. Number 13 is the human body temperature. Number 15, hot day, air temperature, according to them. Number 17, temperature increased by 65 degrees. Number 19, temperature decreased by 50 degrees. Okay, any problems from this book? Yes, my girl. Okay, let's go to skill 10. Okay, any problems with skill 6 first? Skill 7? No issues there. Skills 8? Nothing. Alright, yes, you see skill 9 number?
Number 9. No, skill 10, number 9.
Any problems with skill 9? No problems. Okay, so skill 10, number?
19.
Skill 10, number 19.
Yes, sir.
Skill 10. Oh, I'm on the wrong page. I'm on the diagnostic. Skill 10, number 19. What's wrong there? What is your answer? Describe what happened to the temperature reading as shown by these thermometers. So it's decreasing. You say by how much it's decreasing by. You didn't say it, just indicate it was increasing or decreasing. That's why you must, it's decreasing. And decreases by how much degrees? 50 degrees. Okay. Anything else? Right, for homework I would like you guys to do measurement extension. You do for me number 1, ACE. It's on page 100, okay? 1 ACE. Number 6. There's a couple of shapes I want you to do the perimeter of. You do for me number 8 on page 120. You got 14 in your last test, so I'm not going to give it to you again. Alright. That will bring us to the end of our measurement, okay? Then we will start geometry probably after the exam. Okay. Then you guys had some BodMas to do, not so. And it was book D, worksheet 1, even numbers. That's correct. Okay. Okay. So, yes. Okay, so book D, worksheet 1, even numbers. What's the first answer? 1. It's correct. Next one? 16. Next one? Sorry? 7 over 24 is correct. 8? 3 over 4. Number 10? 4 over 5. Number 12? 17 over 7. Right. With the problem number 2. Number 4? Any problems with number 4? Somebody was calling out the wrong answers all the time. Number 6? Okay, go for it. read for me what's in your first line there. Yes? Plus? Half. There's 1 over 4. Not 1 over 2. So she wrote down the sum wrong, so I'll carry on. So that's over 1, tumbling times. It's 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 2. You go to the office, you'll find it. Lost and found. Go during break. No? And then you just ask somebody just drop the water bottle. So it's 1 over 6 plus. This needs to be done first according to Bodmas. Is there anything I can cancel there? No. So it's going to be 1 over 2 times 4 is 8. So what's the LCM here? 24. So 6 times 4 is 20. Times 3. So it's going to give you 7 over 20. Okay. 7 over 24, which makes that correct. In problems of number 8. Okay, go for it. Read for me your first line. 7 0 7 over 1, correct?
1 over 7 times 3 over 8. 3 over 4.
Okay, so you said 2 going into 1, so we're going to 8 4 times. Okay, so you got 1 over 7 multiplied by 3 over 4 multiplied by 7 over 1. Now what?
Then 3 over 3 1 times 7 over 1.
Which is what is your final answer?
My final answer.
1. How do you get 1? So you're saying 3 over, so you're saying 1 times 3 is 3, 7 times 4 is 24 times, that's 28. Okay? You got 24. Yeah. 21. So you multiplied it wrong. But what could she have done at this point here already? What should she have done? Doesn't 7 go into 7 once? 7 go into 7 once? 1 times 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 4 times 1 is 4. 3 over 4. You understand? Number 10. Number 12. Okay. Yes?
So for number 8, what you did at the last one.
You could have done in the first step already.
So you could have do it outside.
Like this year, you could have cancelled that day already. Is that what you're asking? Huh? Yeah, you could have done it from there. Which means to say, you'd have cut out that middle step. You'd have gone straight into the answer. Okay. That's why I say you always simplify before you multiply. Make the sum small. Or as small as possible to work with. If the sums are large, then you get confused and a lot of calculations involved. You understand? We try and keep it as small as possible. Okay. Any other problems with the sums on the board? No. Okay. Let's just carry on quickly. So 14's answer? 20 over 9 for number 14. Yes, absolutely correct. Number 16? 1 over 2. Who got 1 over 2? Nice. Okay. Who got number 14 wrong? Right, go for it, Michael. So it's 2 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 4. Right, what's your first line?
1 over 3 times 5 over 3 divided by
So you said 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6 twice. No? 3 times, sorry. So you got 1 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 3 multiplied by?
I first did that.
Okay, so
And then,
you got divided by 1 over 4. Carry on.
then 5 over 9
Yes.
divided by 1.
Alright, next line.
My next one is 5 over
5 over 36. But remember, this is division. So what must happen? Change to multiplication. Swap around. So it's going to give you 20 over 9. Okay, what I would have suggested is from the offset you do the following from the beginning. This girlfriend here that was helping other children into the class, why is your head down? Did you got all the answers right? So what's happening? Don't have list for maths today? Huh? Don't have list for maths today? How much I now feel?
yes, that's right. I was listening to the question.
You don't even listen to me. How much I now feel? I feel even worse. Okay, I'm going to cry later though. Okay, I don't have time now to cry. Alright. People, what I would have done first was I would have changed that from the get-go.
Are you allowed to do it?
Yes! If not, why not? I'm just saying.
So,
Say.
can you get that in the test? Let's say it's a student.
Yes?
So, can you put it on the get-go? More English. On the get-go. Start from the second line.
But we'll end up doing that in the end. So we'll also have
Okay, so you're saying in the exams can you do what I'm doing here? I would never show you something that you can't apply in the exam. I know that kind of guy. No? Everything I show you can do in the exam. So 3 goes into 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6 3 times. So nothing else can cancel. So 4 times 5 is 20 over 9. You understand? Yes. We got 16 wrong. Okay, go for it.
So 2 over 70 divided by 18 over 5 divided by 1.
Is he saying 287 over?
So 2 over 50.
2 over 50 for 2.7.
I mean 2 over 70.
2 over 70. Mistake. Remember there's one decimal after the comma. So it's the number is then over 10. So you can write it as 2 and 7 over 10 or 27 over 10. The same thing. So if you got 2,86, that is 286 over 100. Can you see that? If it's 6,2, that is going to be 62 over 10. One digit after the comma. 6,923. That is going to be 6,923 over 1,000. Because there's 3 digits after the comma. Then your mask, Michael. No? Not on your chin. Here we go. Okay. You see, I'm here 3 meters away from the closest person here. Understand? What's wrong, Michael? You also got 16 wrong. Let me first complete 16. Or you want to carry on? Right, carry on. So you found your mistake, no? Nice, nice. Right, carry on. Yeah. 5 over, so you got 18 over 5, which you converted to 5 over 18. Yes. That's 15 over 10. You have it times 15 over 10 or divide by 15 over 10? You have it as times. That's your problem. You see here. Here you went from that step. Whoops. You went from that step. Whoops. I'm forgetting it. You see I get excited about the sums. You went from that step into that step. correctly. You did that correct. But you failed to do the same thing. So for me, it will be safer. Okay? My what's the name would be safer. I would feel safer if I do the following. First, convert everything to improper fractions. First. And then tumble and times afterwards. Okay? So I don't have, what do you call that, memory? Like you guys have, no? But a good memory for the wrong things, no? Don't have good memory for maths. Am I right? Yes. So, dividing it by 15 over 10. So what do I do now? After we play with the girl in front of our hair. Right, leave her hair. So you got 27 over 10 times 5 over 18 times 10 over 50. Can you see that, people? So what do we do now? Cancel. Yes. 10 cancels 10. 5 into 5 once, 5 into 15. 3 times. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 27. 9 times. 9 goes into 18 twice. So the answer is 1 over 2. Which makes me correct. 2 over 1. It's wrong. Why? Because the 2 is in the denominator. How are you then? You understand? Is your 2 at the bottom here? Now why put your 2 on top? Right. Anything else? Yes, Michael.
So is it okay if you simplify the way you do it?
Sorry?
So if you start with 2, 1, and then you have 3, then you start with 2, then you do 1, and the next one.
You can do it. Yes, it's fine. But don't leave this out of the sum. Don't leave that out and then do that first and then bring it. No, don't do that. No? We are the type of girls that's going to keep families together. No? Yes, we're not going to be the ones that breaking families up. You guys. So you was always calling me ma'am. So I feel like a girl. No? But you guys understand, it's fine. You do it 2 fractions at a time, it's fine. However, if that had to be a plus here, then could I have done that first? No. Why? Because according to Bodmas, the division had to be done first. Okay? So if you want to work it, it's fine. But why want to? This isn't so easy. It's difficult.
It's complicated.
Complicated? No, my girl. Not you see the reason. Okay, let's go with what you said. This is now. So you're going 2,7. So it's going to be 287 over 10 divided by 18 over 5 divided by 1. So you're keeping that for last. You keep the good things for last. Okay. You times by 5 over 18 divided by 1.5.
No, I don't do that.
This is what you were saying.
No, but I'll keep it as the fraction, but I'll put
The fraction, no problem. You keep it a fraction. So it's divided by 15 over 10. Yes. But this is what you're working now. No? So you go 9 is 3, 9, 2, 1, 2. This is 3 over 4 times 10 over 15. Alright? Which now gives you 3, 5, 5, 2, 2. So it's 1 over 2. So it's an extra step you do. You understand? So also in mathematics, try and do as least steps as possible. You see, we was lazy people. Not so always lazy. Yeah, now the people that like to work hard, no, they need to work hard because of, okay, Rotterdam says it's coding. Tell you later. Okay. People, is that okay for now?
Yes, sir.
Right, let's move on to the next D. No? D2. Okay, any other confusion with the previous 2 sums? Right. So you're moving on with our lives. No? What?
It's a theme song.
Theme song. Hey. Right. People, number 1, 16. Number 3, 13 over 30. Number 5, 5. Number 7, 5 over 6. Number 9.
1,683.
You see, listen. When I come to that question, you don't put up here. You must cancel first. That's your problem. Okay? Okay? You didn't. You didn't, yeah. And people number 11? 15/7. Who got 15/7? Nobody. Right, so that one definitely I must do. Right, any problems with number 1? Huh? No. Number 3? No. Alright, go for it, Michael. So. Michael was so. Go for it. 2/5, yes? You see what I said? It's over 1, change the multiplication, so it's going to be 1/2. You wrote 2/1. Yes, I can hear by you. Right. So that goes into there once, so it's 1/5 plus 7/30. What's the LCM? You must times that by 6. So 6 plus 7 is 13/30. You will any problems with number 5? No. 7? No. People, this sums is worth 25 marks in your exam. Oh no. Let's pray for it. Pray. Alright. Not for one. All the Bodmas is about 20, 25. No? Sorry? As I said, no, 25, 20 to 25. This is out of, I think 80 or 85.
80, sir. What is the reason?
Sorry?
85.
Sorry? Why? Why are you walking around? So I blow it in the mask. They're making a joke. Right, what's the question? Why is it so long? You see, at the end of the day, we're preparing you to write a grade 12 3-hour paper. That's our idea. In grade 12, you write two papers, a paper 1 and a paper 2, different topics for 3 hours. So what we do is, each year. So what we do is we slowly preparing you for that. No, don't worry about that now. Let's just do what we are doing now. Your test is going to be on everything that we have done thus far. From numbers, fractions, decimals, long division, long multiplication, and Bodmas, and measurement. Okay, so it's on all those things. What? Yes. You're right and calm. Anything else? Listen, that you must ask to your classroom teacher, man, your homeroom teacher. She did tell you, now you're asking me the same stuff. You just want to talk to me. Were you late for class this morning? So why didn't you listen to your homeroom teacher? Now, who did they then listen to?
That's what she told us.
Okay, listen. I'm telling you, I have a lot of things still to tell you before you write to grade 12 finally. For those of you who wants to write in grade 12, who wants to get in. Stop. We drop out and you're not here. Listen, that you must ask your adult teacher. Don't waste, listen. Don't waste your time. I've told you people before, there's people in the class that would like to achieve a good mark in maths. If you don't want to do that, don't deprive others from doing it. Okay? Understand my God? So stop asking those questions. You feel like it's a stupid question, write it down, or you ask me at the end of the lesson. Okay? Because they say there's no stupid questions. But I think these questions are irrelevant. Okay, now I must give you again 5 minutes to do it. Okay? So soon it will be 10 minutes. Because these questions are irrelevant for where we are now. Don't you think? Think about it. Is it relevant to these questions on the board yet? No. So why are you wasting our time? I don't appreciate it, my God. Right. People, number 5, any issues here? No? Number 7? No? Number 9?
So,
Yes?
I got 19 over 17.
Right, you go for it.
51 over 1 divided by open brackets 4 over 11 and my LCM is 33.
Okay.
So it's 4 times 3 is 12
12, yes?
plus 2 times 11 is 23.
Yes.
It's equal to 34 over
So you're going to be 34 over 30?
3.
3. Good? Good?
51 over 1 times 33 over 4.
Okay.
And I got 1,600.
But what? You see a 34 and 51. Don't you think there's a number that can go into both?
17.
Yes.
I know, but I didn't think of that, so.
Now whose fault is that? Yes. The 3 times 33 is 99. Over to-
I see my mistake.
No problem. Thank you. Just remember, we only drop the bracket once it's one term left. Okay. Number 11. Who never asks a question in the maths class? Right, you go for it. You must never ask a question. She always asks. No, but she was late today. Okay, go for it.
Okay, so 11 over 12 divided by brackets 27 over 10 minus 2 over 14.
Nice. Carry on. You didn't do your homework again?
No,
Sorry? You did it? No, go for it. Carry on.
okay, so I said 81 over 30 minus 4.
81 over 30. What?
Because the LCM
What's the LCM here? 30. Nice.
is 81 minus 4.
So you're timesing that by 3. By 3, so it's 81 minus times by 2, 4. Nice.
And then it's
11 over 12 times
No, I said 12 over 11.
12 over 11. How can you say 12 over 11?
I made a mistake.
No, please. We all make mistakes. It's fine. Don't worry.
I got my answer wrong, and that's the end.
And that's where we went. What's the rule? You only swap around the fraction that follows the division sign. Can you see that? People? So what do we have? 11 over 12 times 30 over 70. 7. 81 minus 4 is 77. Yes, my girl. Why's your hand up?
I found my mistake.
Well done. To give her a round of applause. She found the mistake. You don't understand when she found the mistake. Nice. Now what? 11 going to 11 once, 11 going to 77? 7 times. What number goes into 12 into 30 without the remainder? 6. 6 goes twice, 6 goes 5 times. So 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 7 is 14. Which makes me incorrect. You were right, I wasn't. Who got that sum right? Nice. Book D, worksheet 2, number 11 is 15 over 7. I have here, which is incorrect. I'm going to change it here. It should be 5 over 14. Is everything else in order there? Okay, nice. Every time I tell myself I'm going to change it, I'm going to change it, but then I never change it. And every year, I do it with the kids and then I get that somewhere. Okay, hopefully this time I'm going to change it. How? How do I get it wrong? How can I not get it wrong?
No, because you said you do the same thing for the grade 8. How do you not pick it up every time you do it?
No, I picked it up now. No?
So,
Then I tell myself I'm going to change everything once I've done everything.
so last
Then I don't get time. So I didn't change it last year. Or the year before. Or the year before. And so on.
So you got
So it takes time. Yeah, I say I'm going to do it, I'm going to, but I never did.
16, 14.
Is it okay? But I didn't do it. Now you see, now I feel it. Since you say it's okay. Right, number 13. Number 13. Is 6. Number 15. 23 over 15. Then 5 over 32. D3. D3. Number 1. 1 over 2 and number 3. 4 over 3 squared. Okay. Let's go. Any problems on number 13? Number 15? Yes. Right. The 3 and 2 over 15 minus 2.8 times 4 over 7. Right. Who said yes? Right. Go for it. That's 30 plus 2 is 50. 45 plus 2 is 47. Yes. 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 You're 16 over 10. Nice. 7 goes into 7 once, 7 going to 28 4 times. So 16 over 10. Which is correct. But I would have simplified it further and said it's going to be 8 over 5. But okay, you got 16 over 10. Carry on. What's your LCM 30? You're timesing that by 2. So it's 40 is 90. 4 minus 16 times 3 is 48. Is that what you have? Is your mistake? What do you have? 92. 47 times 2. It's going to be 40. 94 is correct. So there's your mistake. No? So now you say 94 minus 48 gives you 8, 4, 1, 6, 46 over 30. Now what number goes into both without the remainder? 2. 2 goes into 23 times and you have 15 times. Which makes that correct. Okay. Any problems with number 17? Number 9, book B. Sorry, book D, worksheet 3. Odd. Any problems with number 1? You didn't simplify. That is why. Number 3. Number 3. You must simplify first. If you're not going to simplify, then all the sums you're going to get wrong, it's going to be too big. Okay, then I'll do number 1. Let's see. We're coming back to you on top there. We're going to give her the chance to do number 1. So he says it's not the same problem that she made before. Carry on.
So it's going to be 8 over 9
Yes.
times 3 over 2
Yeah.
times 1 over 2 minus 1 over 6.
Right.
Then it's 4 over 3.
4 over 3. So that the 2 goes into 1, so we're going to have 4 times, yes. 4 over 3.
Times 1 over 2.
So you got 3 here. So 3 goes into here 3 times, goes 1. Yes. 4 over 3 times.
Times a half minus 1 over 6.
You see, I told you must simplify first, completely. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice. And that's what I'm talking about. But okay, carry on.
And then it's 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3.
So it goes once, once, no? 4 goes into 2 goes into 4 twice. and here 1. So it's going to be 2 over 3 minus 1 over 6. Is that what you have, no? Carry on.
My LCM is 6.
Yes?
So it's going to be times 2
Yeah?
times 2. So it's going to be 4 over 6 minus 1 over 6.
Yeah?
So it's going to be 3 over 6.
3 over 6 is what, Michael? Is that not the answer that you have? Carry on that side. Who asked this question? Right?
I'm not exactly sure either. I said 1 over 6 times 8 over 1.
18 over 1 or 8 over 1?
I said 18 over 1.
Okay.
Subtracted by 5 over 1. Divided by 3 over 1.
That's correct. Carry on.
And then I see, so then I like 1,000 times, I said 6 over 1 over 6 times 18 over 1.
Now why are you tumbling in times?
That one.
You said 1 over 6.
You told me what the division.
So this you kept like that. Okay, so it's 1 over 6 times 18 over 1 minus.
Minus 5 over 1
Yeah?
times 1 over 3.
Okay, carry on.
So I said 6, 3 goes into 6 twice, and 3 goes into 18, 9.
Okay.
And then for that I got 3 over 1.
So you got 2 and 9 here.
Yeah.
3 goes into 18 6 times, or not 9 times.
Oh, no, so I figured out what you wrong now.
So you wrote the 9 instead of 6. Yeah, it should have been 6 here. But 6 actually goes into 6, 1, 6 goes into 18 3 times. So it's 3 over 1. Minus, nothing can cancel here, so it's 5 over 3. People here already, I could have said that's 5 over 3. Thought so? Right, so what's my LCM here? 3. So I times by 3, I get 9. We times by 1, I get 5. So it's going to be 4 over 3. Which makes that also correct. Okay? Right, let's carry on with our lives. Well, the sums are getting a bit bigger now. Number 5. 1 over 25. Okay? Number 7. 1 over 6, correct? Number 9. 29 over 3. Number 11. 3. Number 13. Oh. Okay. Any problems with number 5? Any problems with number 5? Yes? Any problems? No. Number 7. Number 9.
So number 15 is 68. So it's got number
5, 7, 9. Is 9 not right?
No, so it's got number 13.
13. Okay, it's below that. Okay, so I'll move it afterwards. Okay, any problems with number 11? Sorry? No? Number 15. Zayman? So the answer to number 15 is 9 over 5. The answer to number 13 is half. Okay. Let's just move this down here. So no problems with number 11, eh? Number 13 is half. Number 15 is 9 over 5. Number 17 is 1. Any problems with number 13? No. Number 15? Number 15. Okay, go for it, Michael.
54 over 15.
So you got 2 and 4 over 15. This is now number 15. Divided by 17 over 24. Minus 1 and 2 over 5. Right, go for it.
34 over 15.
34 over 15.
Divided by 17 over 24.
Yes.
Minus 7 over 5.
It's correct, Ariane?
Then 30. Okay, so then I simplified.
So you said that, he cancels that.
Oh, I forgot the 7 over 5.
You didn't write the 7 over 5. You're breaking families up, Michael.
No, so I just
Okay. Don't break families up, no? Keep them together. People, 17 goes into there once, here twice. 3 goes into here 5 times, whilst there 8 times, correct? So it's going to be 16 over 5 minus 7 over 5. What's 16 minus 7? 9. Which makes 9 over 5, correct? Number 17? No. Alright. So for homework, I want you guys to do D2 even, D3 even. You can start with it now, then I'll call you up row by row again. And then I'll start marking your work again. Okay, is that okay? Alright. So your homework is going to be D2 and D3, the even numbers. Alright? Yes, Michael? Yes. Are you finished with the work already? Why? What did you think I'm doing? Okay, did you do the homework? Okay, nice.